Siddhartha, now you tell us what is your opinion about a happy married life? You are modern kids. We must know your point of view too. What do you think, dear?
Yes, of course. I have only one mantra. Agree to whatever the wife says. So, Siddharth, what is your opinion? What happened? Tell us.
What happened? Why are you staring at me like that? Uncle, I don't believe in this idea of getting married.
Is that so? But still, you got married. You have such a sweet wife.
Aunt, as everyone's here, so once and for all, I would like to clear a few things. Everyone has accepted Mithai as the daughter-in-law of the family. But I have not accepted her as my wife. I got married to her only for grandpa's sake. Actually, everyone knows here that I don't believe in the concept of marriage. Everyone has accepted Mithai as the daughter-in-law, that's it. But do you know what, Aunt? It's not possible for me to continue with this drama of a happy couple anymore. That's why I told the reality. Anyway, I don't want to spoil this occasion, but I cannot hide the truth any longer, Aunt. Sorry.
Siddharth.
Well, the ritual is over now. Mr. Animesh, I'm leaving now. I have some work. See you. Animesh, please come with me.
Yes.
Please ask your nephew Siddharth once. Why is he continuing with this fake marriage? You know he gets irritated if I say anything. Today he accepted she isn't his wife.
Brother, is it really necessary to discuss all this today? I don't understand what goes on in your mind at times. You're going to work, just go with a cool mind, okay?
What is this? Why are you all here?
We came here because you were working alone.
Listen, what I was telling, we'll have a lot of fun from Brother Ratul and Sister Nipa's engagement till their marriage. We are going to enjoy so much.
Aparajita, what did Siddharth say? I didn't understand anything. No. There is no reason to get scared. This time I will not break the marriage. Actually, tomorrow my mother-in-law is coming. Let's see what Siddharth does tomorrow. She is such a sweet wife. And he said she is not his wife.
Shri, give me that set.
That one?
Yes.
You just rejected it. What's wrong
Oh
with you?
Lord, I rejected it a while ago. But now I think that it will look better. This is what I feel now, Shri. Hey, look, Shri. Is this dress perfect?
You look beautiful, Nipa.
Neepa, are you ready? What is this, Shri? Why isn't Neepa ready yet? Neepa, it is not your wedding day today. It is your engagement, okay?
Whom are you talking to, Auntie? She's trying on the 5th set now. See?
How could you say this to me, Shri? How could you say this? But will I not apply makeup, Shri?
No, of course you will dress up, but not today, okay? Please
Hey,
understand.
Aunt! Fast! Hurry up! Rajiv's grandma has already landed in Kolkata. In a while, she will leave from her house to our house. At the most, another 45 minutes. After that, Nipa's exam will be starting. Nipa? Hey, listen. Have you learned everything that was being taught?
All you can do is tease her.
Listen, Auntie. Why don't you all understand? If my makeup is not perfect, then I'll not get the confidence. Damn. And will you not give me the
No,
set,
of
Shri?
course I will give it. I'll surely give it to you. Here. And Nipa, you're looking so sweet. Believe me, you're looking very sweet. Oh, Auntie. Yes,
Yes.
Auntie, please tell her.
What can I say, Shri? Ever since I heard that Rajiv's grandmother is also coming, out of nervousness, I've got cold feet. I have a gut feeling that something terrible is going to happen today. Oh Lord, please help us.
Hey, Shri, let me take a picture. Let's see how I look, huh?
Neepa!
Oh Lord, why are you scolding me? If I don't see how many likes I get, how will I know that I'm looking beautiful? Why don't you understand? And you all always say good things to me so that I don't take time to apply makeup.
Hey, Nipa, listen to me. You look very beautiful. You have never looked so beautiful before. Trust me, okay? But if you start counting likes at the moment, no one will be able to help you. Hey! Okay. Listen, you trust Brother Siddharth, don't you? I will just go and fetch him. Brother Sid!
We are worried about the false that Rajiv's grandmother will find in us. And this girl, she's busy with her selfies and pictures. Oh Lord, what will happen, Shri?
Listen, come here, brother. You are needed here. Please take a look.
Sandy,
please.
after some time, there'll be people around and I won't be able to do any work. And for the stupid reason,
Siddharth, how does Nipa look?
Nipa. All of a sudden, why will Nipa look ugly? I mean, she looks beautiful all the time.
Really, Brother Siddharth? Do you really mean it?
Have you all lost your minds? I mean, have you all been discussing about how she's looking?
Believe me, Siddharth, we are not discussing. It's Neepa. All Neepa is worried about is how is she looking today. Come here, my child. Come here. Come. Is your makeup done? Huh? You look stunning, my child. So do you remember what you have to do when Rajiv's grandmother comes?
What must I do?
What's the situation? I hope you all are ready. A big cyclone is about to arrive. Get ready. All of you get ready.
Please step aside. Hey Nipa, listen to me. Greet grandma as soon as she comes. After that, no matter what grandma says, you must not respond. And Nipa, during the rituals, please don't say, I want to take a picture. Please don't say this. I request you. Hey Nanda, what are you saying? Huh? I have already announced this on social media. That it is my engagement today. #blessings. Hey Sister Nanda, tell me, if I don't take a selfie, what will happen after that?
I think you are unnecessarily exaggerating the matter. That's why I said Nipa shouldn't get married. If she wants to take a selfie, then she will. Why shouldn't she? You know, during marriage, because people lose their freedom due to these constraints, that's the main reason why I cannot tolerate wedding rituals.
Are you done? You already gave your opinion on your marriage with Mithai yesterday, on our parents' wedding anniversary. We are lucky that Sushmita didn't react to it. But what if she reacted? There would have been another obstacle in this engagement, right? Strange.
It's not strange, Aunt. It's not strange. You probably think that I've accepted Mithai as my wife, but I repeat, I have not changed my stand. Yesterday I cleared it in front of everyone so that there won't be any confusion in the future. Anyway, you all do what you all want to. I'm going to my room. Nipa, you're looking beautiful.
This fellow will not rest unless he creates some trouble, I'm telling you. Mom darling, oh mom darling, my grandma is dangerous, huh? You won't understand unless you see her. She will straight away cancel the marriage.
Cancel?
Yes, cancel. That's the reason why I'm saying that we should all handle Siddharth carefully. Please.
No, that's not possible, brother-in-law. That's an impossible ask.
What do you mean?
He doesn't believe in marriage. How can we ask him to attend the rituals of marriage? That's impossible. I suggest just ask him to stay away.
How is it possible? Grandma will want to see Siddharth and Mithai together. What will happen? What if Sid says, I don't believe in marriage. We have had it. It's over. Even Lord can't help us. Mark my words.
I suppose Mithai will have to do this. She's the only solution to all problems.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are waiting for you. Welcome. Mithai, bring some sweet and water. She will have something.
But why, Siddheshwar? Do you think of me as a foodie? Tell me now. I have just come and you are asking them to bring water and sweet. I did not even get a chance to sit down yet.
No, of course. You will sit, please sit.
Look,
Please
there
come.
she goes. Do I call her a cyclone for no reason?
Sushma, I won't be able to handle her. I'm scared.
Mom, please sit there. Actually, they don't know that you have diabetes and you don't eat sweets.
Daughter-in-law, why did you have to say all of this right now? Diabetes. What do you mean by diabetes, huh? What rubbish. Let me see. What kind of girl have you chosen?
Yes.
You have kept the engagement here? Both Nipa and Ratul have already seen each other before marriage. Listen, daughter-in-law. Is the bride cultured?
Dad, why aren't you saying anything? Grandma started it again. What will I say? If I say something, then you know your grandma, right?
She's the girl's mother.
Good. The girl is quite tall. I think she will be a good match for my grandson. What do you say?
Hey Shri, we must make this lady our friend. She actually thinks my mom is the bride. Hey brother Rajiv, what will happen to my dad?
What are you doing? Keep quiet.
Hey girl, please come closer. Let me see your face properly. Come closer. Come.
No, Mom.
Come. You know what? I can't see properly these days. Come here. Come closer. What happened? I asked you to come closer.
Yes, Mom.
Huh?
Wear it in your ear. Wear this in your ear. Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay,
wear
okay.
It. She is mother.
What?
She is the girl's mother.
What?
Yes.
Why has she applied so much makeup? A girl's mother should be simple. What is my fault? Anyone could have made the mistake. Go and send the girl. I want to see her.
Brother Rajiv, do something. She's spoiling everything. Do something.
What will I do?
We have to stop Grandma. Mithai. Please do something, Mithai. Handle her, please. Come on.
Mother, please try to handle her. It is impossible for us to handle her. Your daughter-in-law has applied lots of makeup. That's why I say don't apply makeup. Now you understand the reason.
Listen, Sulata, please manage that side. Opa, go and bring Nipa now.
You know what? I am a bit outspoken. I think after looking at you, you are the girl's grandma. Or are you someone else?
No. Why will I be someone else? I'm her grandma. Nipa's grandma. Mithai, go and bring Nipa.
Me? Lord help. Sister Nipa, they are calling you. Please come. Listen, she's more short-tempered than Mr. Bittergourd.
What is the circus?
Siddharth, my grandma, the tigress, is very angry. First, she mistook Sulata aunt as the bride. Hey, don't laugh. You all are laughing for so long. Mithai, go and take Nipa there. Go. Be careful, okay? Go.
Hey, daughter-in-law. I don't understand. Why are they taking so long to bring the bride here? I feel they are applying makeup on that girl.
Oh, Mom. What rubbish are you talking?
Why, Animesh? Did I say anything wrong? Today's girls never come out without heavy makeup. I know that. Tell me, Animesh, can you show me a young girl who lives naturally in this world?
Wait. Just see my granddaughter-in-law once. Mithai?
Yes?
Hey, Mithai, come here.
Tell me.
She is my granddaughter-in-law. What do you think, huh? All my granddaughters and grandsons are good-looking. They don't need to apply makeup. They look beautiful in makeup as well as without. But my Nipa likes to apply makeup, sir. Why? Do you have any problem?
No. That is not what I meant. Hey, listen. Does everyone in your family have a short temper?
Why is she looking at me?
No, grandmother. No one is moody in our family except Leave it. Will you like to drink some lemonade? I'll just get you some. Give me side, please. I'm Mithai.
My granddaughter-in-law.
And she is Sister Nipa.
The bride. Nipa, seek her blessings.
Oh my. Very nice. Oh, daughter-in-law, you have found a wonderful girl. But she is little short in height. In front of Ratul, she is a little... Anyway, not everything goes according to us. But tell me, who has matched their horoscope? Call him here. I want to talk to him once. Now you go.
Dad, we haven't matched their horoscope. Now what will happen?
I don't like it. There is so much of problem in my daughter's marriage.
What problem? Don't say anything.
Wait. Animesh, please come this side. I want to talk to you.
Yes, tell me.
Amresh, you also come here.
You want to say something?
Actually,
I don't know that suddenly my mom will ask about their horoscope match. Actually, it didn't occur
Just
in my
sleep,
mind.
don't think about it. But what will happen now? I mean, it will take time to match their horoscopes. What are we going to do now?
I don't know anything.
Daughter-in-law, what happened? Tell me. Animesh, you didn't tell me who matched their horoscope.